Hi everyone, my name is Adriana and I'm the co-founder of TryItOn, and today I'm going to show you how to get your Express AI headshots. First, head on to your studio.tryitonai.com, and click on Express AI headshots to log in. I'm going to go for my Google account. I choose one of my accounts, and I am in. Next, I'm going to proceed to the Express AI page. So there's a little bit of information here that you can go through on your own, but today we're going to skip it and go straight into it. So click on Get AI Headshots, and then here it will lead you to pricing. You have a few options. You can either get multiple ones if you already know that you're doing it maybe for you and a few friends or colleagues. Then you can decide how many images you want. So the more images that you choose, the more variety of clothes, of backgrounds, but also the more likely it is that you're going to find a few images that you love amidst the collection. I'm going to go for the simplest one. I'm going to say 0 human edits. You do get a $1 discount if you purchase it here versus purchasing it after. But for now, I don't need a human touch. I just want 100 AI images for $21. So let's go on to the purchase. Once the payment is successfully done, it will redirect you back to your studio. So you might land right away here. If your Wi-Fi is a little bit slower, you can also just click on Express AI to go back into your studio, and you will see a credit right here. By the way, if you're gifting it to somebody, you can just click on Gift It, but for the purpose of today, we're skipping this step. So once you're ready to prep for the photo shoot, go for it. Name your photo shoot, for example, my LinkedIn headshot, or anything else you like. Pick a gender. This is very important. Make sure you pick the right gender for yourself, and follow the guidelines pretty closely. Honestly, the most important part is that they're recent, they're well lit, and your eye color and skin is visible. So do spend a minute reading through these. This is very important. Cool. Once you're ready, let's get started. And I will show you my selfie so you get a feel for what does a good set of close-ups look like. So I, of course, already have mine ready. So you can use the cropper in here. If you don't want to use the cropper, just, skip it and have a quick overview. Make sure that nothing is repeating. No other people in your photos, no babies, no dogs. It's just you. And again, chest up. Do not crop your head. Do not wear sunglasses. As you can see, again, very simple close-ups, nothing filtered. And I think I am now good to go. So I have 22 images that I'm happy with. Finish uploading. In here, you will choose your portrait styles. So quite important to know, if you choose beauty or Hollywood, same goes for man. If you choose like the Hollywood style, they're really casual, right? So if you don't want any kind of casual styles, you want strictly professional, then just choose business outdoors, business studio, okay? If you want to have a little bit of fun, obviously, then go for all the other styles. Don't forget, you get 100 images. So if you choose fewer styles, you will get far more kind of variety within the business category. If you choose select all, you will get just a little bit of each category. I'm going to go for business, casual, and I do like my beauty styles. They're quite fun. They give me a lot of ideas on styling, so I'm going to go for that one. If your selfies are quite good, or if your eye color kind of has both green and hazel, like mine is quite a mix when you look at it, I'm not going to select an eye color. I'm just going to let the AI figure it out for my selfies because my selfies are really good. Next is hair color. Mine also fluctuates between kind of a darker blonde and a lighter blonde, so I want a mix of both, so I'm going to let the AI figure it out on its own. But if you do know that you want just purely blonde, then go for blonde. Another one is, if you do wear a hijab, very important to click on hijab. You have to do this. Otherwise, it might give you photos without it. Last but not least, something that customers do ask a lot is glasses. So if you would like all of your photos to have glasses, then click on this. But if you want a mix of photos with and without, and your selfies or your close-ups also have a mix of with and without, then just skip this step, and the AI will give you a mix of both. All right, so I'm going to complete my submission at this stage. If your Wi-Fi or your data is a little bit slow, so very, very important, it might not go through. So just double check that you go into your studio, into your Express, and just check that it says preparing. If it's preparing, you've done everything right, the submission is done, and the AI will start working on generating your results. So it takes anywhere between 30 minutes to 90 minutes. It really depends on the volume of results, on the volume of images that our platform is generating at the same time. So kind of the max is 90 minutes. You will get an email notification telling you that it's all complete, and you can log back into your studio and view the results. So I will show you what it actually looks like. I already, have mine ready. So we, save a little bit of time. So you can see that I have another account with loads of photo shoots in here. But here's mine that is ready. So the flag will be here blue, and you'll be able to click on view results. If you click on the trash can, it will ask you to double confirm, but it will delete everything, and you will not be able to retrieve the images again. You will not get a new credit magically, so just be very careful with this. Once you delete, it is gone forever. All right, so let's view our results. Again, I have selected 100 images, and I've selected a mix of business outdoors, business studio, and beauty. Okay, So as you can see, I have a few beauty ones that I absolutely love. Again, it gives me ideas for makeup, for styling, for jewelry, all sorts. And I have a mix of business. Very important to know that before you proceed, the better the close-ups, the more you follow the guidelines, the much better the results. But regardless of how amazing your close-ups are, there will be some images, just like in a real photo shoot, that you will just not like. So a really good habit to get into is just delete what you don't like, so you stop staring at it. So let's say, look, I don't love this headshot. I just don't love it. I'm just going to delete it. You do need to double-click to confirm. Perfect. And let's say that you do love one of the headshots. So for example, I do quite love this, but you can see the eyes are a little bit weird, and maybe I don't like, honestly, that's actually love everything else except the eyes. So what you can do is you can give this headshot a little bit of a fix. So you're going to click on AI tools, and you're going to click on either enhance or upscale. Each and one of these is slightly different, so just see which ones you like. I'm going to click on enhance, and then I'm going to show you the difference between enhance and upscale. So just FYI, you do get credits that you can use. So you get quite a lot of free credits before you need to repurchase credits for more editing. So you can already see what it's done. So here's the before and here's the after. So essentially it smoothens out my skin, my wrinkles, but also it smoothens out the imperfections. So if you like this, awesome, just click on accept. I do like it. If you don't like it, click on cancel. Very important. If you click on accept, you cannot retrieve the original image. Oh, I love this one. So this is at the same time as I was doing my enhance, the upscale is done. The upscale you will need to download because it is a very large file. This one is actually beautiful, so I love it. I'm going to download it, and it's going to save either on your phone in your images or on my desktop in my downloaded folder. That one was perfect. But you can see the kind of difference. The upscale maintained a lot of my, my original eye color a little bit more, and it didn't smooth everything out completely, but the colors are much more vibrant when you upscale. Okay, I actually really like this portrait, so what I'm going to do is use the new tool called Expand. So what Expand does, it can expand it vertically, landscape mode, or just square. So I want a little bit more of the left and the right side, actually, so I'm going to say Expand Landscape Mode, and I'm going to click Yes. All right, so here I've got my extended version. So let's see if I like, so I love this, obviously don't love this. Again, the AI in this scenario is like, it's not going to be perfect every time. Oh, there you go. This one is amazing, so I do love it, but I do get 4 options, so I'm just going to see what else is in there. Don't love. I love this one. I'm going to say save. Thank you very much. Now, last but not least, something the customers ask is something relatively simple, how to download these files. So you have a few options. You can literally just, you can just drag and drop them onto your desktop, like literally drag and drop, or you can click on the download button. Both of them do exactly the same thing. And for your credits, so the value of the credits, you do get quite a lot of free credits to just play around with our AI tools. You can click on this little coin here, or if you're on mobile, click on menu and then credits value. And here you can see what does everything cost. So if you're getting the Express, if you have the Express AI photo shoot, you can use enhance, 4 coins, upscale, 8 coins. This is not for you. This is for another product that we have called Creative Studio. You can expand, again, same, not for you. And then a human edit is the most expensive because it has real humans working with us on the back end. Awesome. So I believe that this is the end of the run through for Express AI headshots. I hope you love the results, and I hope you find something that you can use for all of your business or casual needs. And if you have any questions, just email our team at team@tryitonai.com. Thank you so much, everybody.